In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero contacts, how to bulk import or upload contacts into Xero, 5 minutes. Let's get started by signing into your Xero account. Head to the Xero login page, enter your email and password, and click login. If you're asked to verify your identity, complete that as usual. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From the main navigation, open contacts, then choose all contacts. This is where you can see your existing list and where we'll access the bulk import tool. Look toward the top right for the three dots, often called the More Options menu, and click it. Select Import to open Xero's import screen. Here, Xero gives you two ways to prepare your file. The most reliable approach is to download the contacts template provided on this page. Open that file and copy and paste your contact data into the matching columns. Keep the column headers exactly as they are to avoid errors. Make sure every contact has a name, fill in emails and addresses where you have them, and remove any extra blank rows. It's a good idea to convert formulas to plain values, store phone numbers as text so they don't change format, and save the file as a CSV encoded in UTF-8. Consistent capitalization and clean data now will prevent issues later. If you already have a contacts list ready, that's fine too. Just make sure it's saved as a CSV and that your headers align with Xero's expected fields. When your file is ready, click Select File and choose your CSV from your computer. With the file selected, click Next. Xero will quickly check the file and can flag anything that doesn't look right, such as missing required fields or formatting problems. If you see an error, cancel out, fix the CSV, save it again, and re-upload. For best results, make sure each contact is unique. Using a consistent contact name or email helps Xero recognize duplicates and keeps your list tidy. A few quick tips as you prepare your import. You can include both customers and suppliers in the same file. Xero treats them as contacts until you start creating invoices or bills. Avoid special characters where possible, and if a field contains commas, wrap the value in quotes so it stays together in one column. Before importing a large list, test with a small sample file to confirm everything lines up. Once you've reached the next stage without errors, you're on the right track to bringing your contacts into Xero in bulk. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and happy importing.